Hello guys, welcome to Scratch. And guys, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a clicker game. I know it's a bit basic, but see, for example, look at this cat clicker I made. We're gonna make something like that with a shop and everything. So let's delete Scratch Cat and make a new sprite. Well, no, we don't need to paint. We choose a sprite. Let's make one of my failed attempts. An apple clicker. Let's see if we can redeem. Sorry guys that this PC is slow, but hey, at least it works. So now we got an apple. Now let's make it so we can't drag it. When green file clicked, forever. Let's go to motion. Go to 0, 0. Enter. Now let's test. See, it doesn't, you can't drag it even if you try to. It doesn't drag. So I always recommend to play games in full screen. So now, let's make the scripts. So we're not gonna make this one where you can use the space bar because that's pretty difficult to make. Well, for at least me. So when this bar clicked, let's make a variable. So delete the my variable, and then let's make it apples for all sprites. Okay, so we're also going to want to get when green flag collect. So when green flag collect, set apples to 0. When the sprite collect, change apples by 1. And see, that's all you need to make a basic game, but we don't want a basic game. We want to make this a pretty decent game. So first, let's change this size of that apple. Let's make it 1, 2, 5, for example. Not enough. So let's put it 150 and let's see that if that will help. Okay, that's much better. Now we're gonna make it so this apple gets bigger when we click it. Just to add some animation, you know? So we're gonna make this very big. And then drag it to the middle. But let's change it back to apple 1. Now we're gonna make it so when it's clicked, we switch costume to apple 2. Wait. We don't need 1 second. Let's make it 0.09 seconds. Now let's go back to looks. We're gonna change this to apple. Now let's test. See, that's basic animation. It's kind of choppy because this is just gonna be a normal clicker game. Alright, no flashy, I mean smooth animations. We don't need any of that. This is just a basic tutorial to make your very first clicker game on Scratch. But let's continue. So after, we're gonna put create clone of myself. Hold on, I need to move my mouse a bit. And then get when I start as clone, go to 0, 0, and then dang it, not looks, motion. We click change Y. Okay, we're gonna need to put this in a forever loop. Forever. Change Y by 10? No, because that will make the clones go up. Now we need to be, I think, -4 is good enough. And then let's test. We can make it delete the clone when we're on the floor, but let's see if this works. And yes, it does, but the apples are too big. So we're going to make it set size to, I'm guessing, 50. Let's test if that's too big or too small. Yep, too small. So I think 75. Let's test. That's much better. Now we got some basic stuff. Now we've made the apple sprite. Now let's make what every cookie game needs, a shop. So let's just speedrun this real quick. But guys, to save some time, I'm gonna go inside my cat clicker. Make sure to see all the code too, even though most of it makes no sense. See, I decided to put a check mark because cats deserve respect. So we're gonna put this, and this in our backpack. Now, wait, do we save our project? Uh-oh. Let's modify less than a minute ago. Whew! Relieved. Now, we're gonna go open our backpack and get all of these sprites. And so, like that. But let's teach you the code. So, we're gonna want it to, so we're gonna do the thing to make sure you can drag it. And then if you don't know what a broadcast is, it's kind of hard to explain. So I got two broadcasts, shop open and shop close. So when this part clicked, there's going to be a broadcast shop open. To make it open the shop, we're going to go to menu. When Greenfly clicked hide, when I receive shop close, hide, because when you close the shop, it will hide it. And when you open the shop, it shows. But for the X, it just makes it so it closes the shop. Now let's test. Let's go in full screen mode. Apples work. Now let's check our shop. See? Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. And then we can exit our shop. Now let's get out of full screen and continue our scratching. So now that we got the shop ready, I would have made this video a little bit too short if we just, didn't make some, like, add stuff to the shop. Dang it, I didn't know what to say there. So we shouldn't make it like cursors that just click the mouse. That would be too basic. So let's make it like a worm, like the worm goes through the apple. So let's make a line, change the outline to green. Yes. And I think 4 is too low. So let's change it all the way to 21. Now let's test. Now let's make the little eye. Can we? Okay. And boom. Just in case, let's select all this and click group. And I gave all these guys a name so we all know what these are. So instead of this being named Sprite 1, we name it Warm. Enter. Now let's make some basic coding. If you guys want these cat blocks, just download Scratch add-ons in the extensions tab for Chrome, Edge, whatever you use. It only works for PC though. Okay. Now, when green flag clicked, hide. Now let's get the shop open and shop close. Shop open. And now let's go show and hide. When I receive shop close, when I receive shop open. That's basic. So I just click green flag clicked, and then green flag, then stop. Now let's continue with our scratching. Okay, I'm saying scratching too much. Now you go here. Let's click stop. Let's no. 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 Go to back layer. Easy. Wait, no. Go to front layer. Okay, we just straight up ruined the whole game. Let's just delete the menu, and I'm definitely not gonna bring it back. Just kidding. Let's just bring this back. Shimmy, yeah. Bruh. But okay, so we basically have ruined the whole thing, and that's not good. So I know how to fix this. So Apple can go to back layer also. Back. Now it's in back layer. We go to menu, back layer, and then move. Okay, that was weird. That's a serious issue. Okay, so that has failed. But now you guys have a basic understanding. Anyways, let me just hold on. Well, anyways, guys, that was all for today's video. If you want me to try again next video, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want me to try again. Anyways, guys, wait, I have an idea. I got an idea. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Now, menu will be deleted too. Now, yeah, we're not ending just yet. We're not ending yet. When green flag clicked, go. Wait, no. When green flag clicked. Okay, no, we don't need that. Go to different layer. That's pretty good. Now, let's make it go down a notch. What is all the change y by -1. Now let's keep repeating until it's a good height. There. Change x by. Yes, guys. The inner voice told me. Gave me an idea. -1. Now let's do it. Time to click as fast as I can. No. Now we're gonna edit the worm a little bit. Text. Let's give it a name. You know what? No, no. Warm. That is good. Warm. Two plus. No! I think that's how you spell apple, right? Okay. Warm for 2 apples. warm. 2 plus apples. Now we're gonna make something new. We're gonna paint a sprite. It's gonna be same. Try to make it same color. Different color as that. So let's make this thing cyan, or else it will blend in. Cyan with a 4 outline. Then we go in square. It's here. Now let's get text. Let's not make it cyan, let's make it black. No. 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 I don't know why, but my text is so big. So let's just make this thing very thick. And then do the text. Hold on. And guys, remember my first ever video? It was actually recorded on a laptop. But this is a PC. My brand new PC. Well, not brand new. The PC is old. The monitor burned out. But I already had a other monitor, and then now I'm using that. Now, anyways, back to the video. Bye. Let's name it. Let's name it Bye. So, when this sprite clicked, when green flag clicked, when I receive shop open, when I receive shop close, hide, show. But why do we have the sprite clicked? We're gonna make a new broadcast. Actually, 2, but that other one's gonna be later. And then let's name it add. And click OK. I know that video kind of gotten extended because of the fail, but never give up. When the sprite click broadcast add. Okay. Now we're gonna go to apples. When I receive add, forever. Wait, no. The sprite clicked. Forever. If no, if let's go to operators, go to equals. Let's go to apples. If apples, you know what? No. The last time I tried that, I'm just saying last time because I've done this before, and so that's how I know the code. Because I've done this before. If apples is greater than 100, then broadcast add. But we still need to add something for the costume. For 100 apples. Dang, now it's not even on the screen. And I spelled apples wrong. Womp womp. Undo, undo, undo. Text. Let's put it all the way. No! Let go of that. Nope. For 100 apples. Enter. Wait, no. Backspace, backspace, quick. That is good enough. But first, guys, let's give our thing a name, which you should have done at the start of the video by now. Let's name it Apple Clicker 2. Because I've already made an Apple Clicker, but it's not very good. So this is going to be Apple Clicker number 2. I will also, since this is going to be the only time we're going to see Apple Clicker, I think when we're done with this, I will click share, and so you guys can see it. And you also have to look at my profile. I'll be posting it on my profile. And that's where you can find it. And now receive ad. And now back to this. Receive ad. I feel like in my head I've done something wrong, but I don't know what. Let's just do wait 1 second. Change apples by 2. Because 2 plus apples, it forever gives you it. Forever gives you 2 apples. Now, let's test if this is an epic fail or something. So, can we do anything with this? Nope, nothing happens. So, I hope this game isn't going to be glitchy and game breaking. And I'll even let you guys remix it. Let's see what wonderful Apple clickers we can find. So, can we still buy it? Nope. 100 apples. Can we buy it? Yes, guys, something is wrong. Because we can just put a broadcast ad here. And then put this in Apple. And delete this from this sprite. Now let's go in Apple. If apples is greater than 100, then do that. Oh, yeah, that's correct. but we need to make the new broadcast because we didn't make a new broadcast called fail. I think that's how you spell fail. Wait, no. We were doing that correct. Doing that correct. Go back, please. And for apples, you can go. You're free. Okay, this video gonna be long. And that's fine, because I like to entertain y'all and make videos for you guys all. Now, we're gonna right click and click duplicate. But instead, we're gonna make this, bruh, I forgot that bug. The bug is basically if you go into a new spread without putting the new broadcast anywhere, it won't show. Like ever again, even when you go back to the sprite. Scratch, if you're watching this, please fix that bug. Or it's made to. If it's made to, it's fine. But I feel like it's more convenient to just change it up a bit. So here's that code. No! So here is that code. So we're gonna right click, duplicate, and put you right here. When I receive fail, should I make it like a punishment or like set it to 0 where if you try to buy you immediately lose everything? No, that'd be too much. So, I mean, not too much, but that would be a good idea. Okay, now let's test. Can we do it? No. The apples are gone. They're falling. Be sure to catch the apples though. Wait, I thought I saw something wrong. Or was it just me? Okay, 100, 101. No. Dang. I messed up with my own coding that I've done before. Bruh. But guys, this video I think is 34 minutes long, so this will just be part 1. Part 2 will fix the bug and we'll add more stuff. So guys, that's basically the end of this video. If you want me to make like more Scratch tutorials, hit the subscribe button and click like. And that's all for today. See you guys. Peace.